Welcome to this presentation on edgewise vibration control of wind turbine blades using negative stiffness TMDS. This research was conducted by Kamal Krishna Bera and Vishal D. Sonkusar and published in 29 July 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Wind energy is a rapidly growing sector with modern wind turbines featuring larger rotors and longer, more slender blades to maximize power output. However, these longer blades are more susceptible to wind induced vibrations, which can reduce power generation and pose structural risks. Edgewise in plane vibrations are particularly concerning due to their lower damping. The study utilizes a modified blade element momentum theory to obtain turbulent aerodynamic loads. Simplified 2 degree of freedom to DOF models of the blade NSTMD and blade NSTMDI systems are developed for optimization. Closed form expressions for optimal parameters are derived using H optimization based on fixed point theory and are validated numerically through HO optimization. Numerical investigations on the NREL5 MW wind turbine demonstrate that NSTMD and SATMDI effectively suppress dynamic blade response but tend to increase static displacement. The unified HHH2 optimization framework successfully balances dynamic response reduction and static displacement control. Approximate fitted expressions for optimal parameters closely match exact solutions, offering practical applicability. The integration of negative stiffness elements with TMD and TMDI, NSTMD and NSTMDI represents a significant advancement in mitigating edgewise vibrations of wind turbine blades. The unified HH2 optimization effectively addresses the inherent trade off between dynamic response reduction and static displacement amplification, often associated with NS elements. This study successfully proposes and validates the use of negative stiffness tuned mass dampers NSTMD and negative stiffness tuned mass damper inerters MSTMDI for controlling edgewise vibrations in wind turbine blades. A unified HH2 optimization framework was developed to determine optimal parameters, achieving a favorable balance between dynamic response reduction and static displacement control.